Hey guys, what's up? This is JRP77 from JGN Games. In this tutorial, we will be making your first game in Unity 3D, so stick around. We've recently made a Discord channel to act as a forum for our viewers and game developers alike. Click the card at the top right corner of your screen to learn more. So this tutorial will be for the absolute beginner, the person who has just downloaded Unity and now wants to make a professional game. Well, you're not going to make a professional game the first time you start developing, but this tutorial is for you guys. We are going to make an extremely basic RPG to introduce you to the realm of game development, and this tutorial will be focused on showing you how the engine works. To start off, double click on your Unity icon to open up the application. We're going to set up all the license stuff and then click the Create Project button. I'm going to name mine My First Project and store it on my D drive. Then I'm going to set the mode to 3D and import no packages. All we're doing here is just setting up how and where our project will be stored. Just make sure to name it something recognizable and not like new folder so that you can actually find it. Hit the Create button to create your project. Inside the editor, let's go over what everything is. On the right side of your screen, you have your inspector window. This is where we will change and manage all of our properties. This is also how we'll add scripts and components to our objects. Speaking of objects, on the left side of your screen you have the hierarchy window. This is where we will have all of our objects. You can make parent or child objects in this window, and we'll get into that in a later tutorial. On the bottom of your screen you have your project and console views. Your project window is where all of your files for your game will be stored. This can range from sprites to 3D objects to scripts to movie files. Basically, it's the files that Unity can read and process for use in your game. The other window is your console window. This window shows your errors while you're making your game rather than you have to find them yourselves. You can also write to the console after you complete an action similar to what you would do in a language like Python. And last but not least, we have our scene and game views. The scene view is where we will position our objects in our scene. When you selected an object in the hierarchy, you can move it around by hitting W and then clicking and dragging on the arrows with your mouse. You can rotate it by hitting E and clicking and dragging the wheels around, or R and then clicking and dragging the cubes to scale your object. And finally, the game view is what the game will actually look like when you play it. You can hit the play button at the top of your screen to test and see how your game looks from the player's perspective. That's basically all there is to it though. There's not that much to it. You can change your aspect ratio, you can change your scale factor. It's mainly for just seeing what the player sees. So that's a brief introduction on how to work the Unity engine, but I want to know what you guys think about this series. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video sucked, you know what to do, but if it didn't, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as our new Discord server. All of those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.